wash me dirty clothes. But they are work from morning, chop them the trees. Right now we are clear all our debris so the road can clear so people can drive and get home. So right now, this is the Shoeberry district. They are Chatterwood. So, yeah, we are Chatterwood. Watch the Chatter. You see? So, we not why we just want the people to do this. This is what we're doing. We're not going to be doing this.
Foundation outside. Don't forget back to the community and to Jamaica and to show love and support.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If made of the panel beating as can see. Pan on the screen. Yeah, my peeps, life is sweet. Even after this major catastrophe that hit Jamaica over there. Yeah, we're talking about Hurricane Melissa. But as you can see, the community in Westmoreland, you know, they're very resilient people like all Jamaican people. But, you know, you have to have fun even in times when it's down, don't it? And it's good to see a lot of dancehall artists. Yes, especially the dancehall artists really assisting with helping out each other. This is what I'm saying, because, you know, dancehall don't really get a good like. You know what I mean? This is why the government should do more for the artists them, because if we really look for the artists them and certain people who cross the border, you know what, you know, yeah, exactly. Put in the comment section if you see any soca people out there. I'm not saying they're not, but we see a lot of dancehall artists, you know what I mean, giving back, because you know, say them profit from the people, so it's only right. You see what I say? Big up dancehall artist Mackerel as well too, because you know, only people them with, you know, I don't want to say a big platform. Obviously, Mackerel have a big platform. But, you know, only certain people is getting highlighted. You know what I mean? So we have to big up the people them that's helping the one or two people them out there, families like Mackerel. She's helping two single moms, you know, with groceries after the storm. It's what say. Because a lot of aid is coming into Jamaica, but still, a lot of communities is still without aid. You know what I mean? Put in the comment section what you think about that, because you know the charity business go. For example, Red Cross is send 5, them use like, you know, like 1. Yes, I'm awesome. And we need to start doing more for the athletes them. So big up Asafa and, you know, the rest of the people them that, you know, it's helping out. It's not everybody posting what them doing. You know what I mean? But we heard over the period of years, you know, the government don't do nothing for track and field people. You know what I mean? And they benefit millions. I know you see millions from these said people. The government is not, you know, supporting the way they need to. It's definitely doing their thing. You know what I mean? So big them up as well. You see my some people. And this review is about helping rebuild Jamaica. There's a lot of people out there who wants to help, but they don't know how they can. So I seen this video with this individual saying he's a truck driver. And he wants to know how he can assist. So let's hear what he's saying and we proceed with the next.
Alright, good morning. My name is Jazeel. From Kingston, a truck driver. I notice a lot of people donate them resources and food stuff to the people them that is affected in other parts of Jamaica, because I come from Kingston. My area never that affected. But I don't know who this could have reached out to. I could have donate my time and my skill. I don't own a truck, but I could have donate my time and my skill in the rebuilding and reconstruction of the western parishes. So if this could have reached out to the right person, where I could have donate my time to in helping in whatever way, whether driving goods go from Kingston to the affected area, or you don't know, we transport ourselves go to the affected area and assist with truck driving, whether cleaning up debris, carrying whatever. Yeah. So me have an articulated license and also a certificate in a trailer, tractor trailer, defense driving, yeah. So certified in terms of that. But me don't know who can repost this. I don't know if Andrew Holness or one of them prime minister. Because Andrew the only name me really know. So if me be honest, I don't have no money, I don't have other resources where I can donate per se for help. in a wagwan. This is my own way, so. You don't know, TikTok are the only means you know if you can get the word out. So if anybody else want to jump on board, you don't have no skill or any other resources you can donate in terms of time to help contribute to the reconstruction and the affected areas down in the other western parishes or wherever affected in Jamaica. When you share up that video, I could do the right thing.
Yeah, so it's a good look. You see, I say, like I said, some areas is being hurt and not receiving aid. So this person is talking about, Westmoreland, and they're showing some footages of what they're seeing. So let's take a look at the damage and what they can do if they can assist. You see me?
I'm a Jamaican, and to witness what has been happening in Jamaica has been heartbreaking, to say the least. And you can only imagine how much more devastating it has been for us because my husband is currently in Jamaica. He and his father went to Jamaica to celebrate his father's birthday. Thankfully, his father was able to get a flight out on Saturday and my husband leaves on Monday. Praise God. But he gets to walk away from this devastation, not the people of Frome and George's Plain, where they're from. He said no one has come to help so far. They're feeling helpless. I am just reaching out to see if the people whom are gathering supplies and food and water and help, please visit George's Plain and Frome in Westmoreland. No one has come to help. Prior to the hurricane, my husband bought groceries and that's what's been feeding the entire community. This morning he shared that he had some fried dumpling and that's been it. Thank God for it. But you can't do much for long. So please, 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 if you're hearing this, all the organizations that are sending help to Jamaica, don't forget the smaller little communities, the small cities, the small little town, the lanes. Those people have been neglected. Please visit George's Plain and Frome in Westmoreland and the other surrounding communities. They need you. Thank you.
But today,
not one person need help. A lot of person need help.
stop, we help each other.
Yeah, like this is an old picture you see with Andrew Holness and one lady asked for donkey. And that was really the state of most black Jamaicans. And, this hurricane just came through and I don't even want to say back to square one because you already know all the things that are already with that, you see. Now, the next issue I see coming out of Jamaica have to deal with, everything raised, you feel what I mean? And I don't know if that's a crime or not. You see what I say, given the country, say, all of the trees them blow down and the leaves them gone, so, scallion and them thing they double, You see what I say, and this is why it was good. If you're not supporting a local farmer, them can look out for you in them time, yeah, and not charging the high rates. You see what I say, but Mr. This rest, I cuss all the people them downtown because the people them is complaining. You know what I mean?
Put it in the heart for people. Storm come. Blow with people. Mash up people. Analyze people. I wanna sell people. $1,200 for a pound of steak got nyamo to the mama got a drunk. Only 2 wicked to poor people. Only in the heart. Only in the heart. Wicked people what's stuck out to the mama. Drunk. Only well one disaster if you come to Jamaica. Only well one disaster if you come to Jamaica. To rise up. The season them higher and higher. Dirty drunk people downtown. Gun your mouth to the mama. People, you see one big sour girl. One big sour girl yesterday. You know I mean was spitting on your face, dirty girl. You never know why. Too much money there around you. And that's why me alone I buy for you. All of the people that were going downtown yesterday go feel it. All of the people that we go down to, yeah, people got town and market yesterday with that $20,000, $10,000, $15,000. I remember me tell you, half bag of half scandal bag of season. Them blood clot left downtown. We got nyam out to no mama defender them. The people them we are selling people them and a high price. Got nyam out to no so-called mama. Dirty junko. The downtown people them. The downtown murderer people them. Dirty junk go suck out to the mama. Go nyam out to the mama. And yesterday, dirty girl. Hey, dirty boy. Dirty boy, you can't wash. Dirty boy. You sell people with blood clot. Dirty cat. You're full of be a bad panda. Dirty boy. We are selling people with yam yesterday. By your dirty cat. $1,000 pound for your rent I am. $1,000 pound for your yellow yam. Dirty junko. How much blood clot would you sit on pan? Dirty junko, dirty boy. We are pushing cat, your cat dirty like you, your cat dirty. Yeah, you can't dirty, I'm going to suck out to mama dirty boy. You cannot sell poor people £1 I am for $1,000, $1,200. Go nyam out to the mama, go suck out to the mama. Only the response to poor people. The people them storm blow over the people them. Storm come analyze them. Storm come pressure them. Flood them out. Wash them out. I'm not still sell the people them hard blood clot price. Yeah, we don't want mad them out. We don't mad the people them not a junko. You don't like when storm come here. We don't like when disaster come here. Yeah, if you rise up the blood clot, flour, sugar, caramel. Hard to head, got the junko, go suck out to the mama. The people them downtown yesterday. We are selling yam, potato, cassava. We are selling food product. Go nyam out to no pupa. Go nyam out to no pupa, got the junko. Go lick out water shit out on no father batty hole. We no wicked to the people them. We no wicked to the people them. We no heart. Junko. What kind of heart to the carve? You can't sell £1 of yam for blood clot $1,000. Pussy was not a drunk, a thief, you got thief all them there. A thief, you got thief them there. Because the real farmer them in the country can't get to come a blood clot correction market yesterday. The real farmer them. A thief, you got thief, blood clot, they get up people them, the farm people them food. And I come sell it dear downtown, not a drunk. All you not thinking, girl, you're a thief, you know. You're a thief food too. Yeah, your man a blood clot thief. Yeah, your man a food thief, dirty girl. What kind of heart them people have? New York, England, Canada, Jamaica people. And what kind of heart you have? On if you sell £1 of yam for $1,000, $1,200. On if you sell £1 of scallion for $1,000, everything at $1,000, $1,200. Yesterday, everything at 1,000 people. Me. Hey, if you don't say lie, I have to go out to no more a million times. People, and yesterday I go downtown. Go shopping yesterday. Me got a Korean market, everything at $1,000, $1,200 a pound. Dirty woman, you know, she say, a palm boil blood clot people. You want to see some pear. Soul soft pear, soul mash up pear, dirty woman. The pear them soft like your pussy tongue and your two pussy jaw. Dirty woman. Oh, dirty woman will sell me one little blood clot pear, spoiled pear yesterday for $300. Go use the $200 and go buy one nice pillar. Magic in your blood clot pillar, dirty woman. Go wash out your dirty sheet, dirty woman. You can't sell poor people one look up blood clot pear for $350 and $200. People, they murder the people them yesterday downtown. They murder the dirty people. Jamaica people got nyam out to the moment where I sell the people them high rate. High crisis. High bill. Where raise the people them on the poor people and say scam come at Jamaica. False scam, hypocrite scam, criminal scam, scamming scam.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. Now, before I leave, I want you to take a look at this girl. I remember what she did last year. I'm not sure if she was in Jamaica when this, hurricane happened. But me just say, right? Anyway, people, we're not going to listen longer, Bless.